Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Today I would like to share with you some important Feng Shui concept, which is the missing area, or we call the missing angle. Just like the floor plan here, you can see that, hey, there's an area which is missing. It's not here, it's absent. So that's why we call a missing area or missing angle. Different missing angle have different impact to the Feng Shui. For a normal floor plan, which is in like a square shape or a rectangle shape, the qi inside that kind of floor plan is more like an evenly distributed, more normal situation, so it's more ideal for us. But if let's say if you go to buy a house or you go to rent a house, there's some area is missing, so you need to be careful because different area missing has different impact. But before we say that, we need to have a basic idea of the later Haven Bagua theory. So we can see that there's 8 different direction, and then different direction represent different family member of our family. The most important is the northwest corner. It belong to the daddy, it belong to the senior person in that property. So which is the most important area. And the second important area is the southwest corner, which is belong to the mom and then belong to the senior lady in that person. So the northwest and the southwest are the most important area. So if you are going to buy a house or rent a house, make sure that it's not missing. Another area is the east. It belongs to the first son. The southeast is belong to the first daughter. The north is belong to the second son. The south is belong to the second daughter. The west is belong to the third daughter. And then the northeast is belong to the first son. So 8 family member is inside this diagram. But for us right now, we don't have a big family here. So we just pick the most important area. Let's say the southwest corner is belong to the mom and the northwest corner is belong to the daddy. So make sure you go to get a new house. These 2 corner is not missing. If let's say you go to buy a house, the northwest corner is missing, it's not really good for the daddy, it's not really good for the senior person in that house. If the southwest corner is missing, it's not really good for the mom, it's not really good for the senior lady in that house. So make sure if you go to get a house, those area is not missing. Another 2 important area is the east, because it belongs to the first son. And the southeast is belong to the first daughter. So for a small family, those 4 areas are the most important. But let's say if your house is really have a corner is missing, something you can do to offset the energy a little bit, it can help a little bit, which is inside your house at that corner, you can get some like an indoor plant to put it over there to bring some living energy, which can help a little bit. For the outside, if let's say there's some missing area, you can put like a canopy, something on top of that area to fill up that space. And again, it will help a little bit. Hope you like it. Thank you. If you want to learn more about traditional Feng Shui setting and knowledge, I have a book in Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. You can go there, take a look. I put a link down below. And if you want to learn more about current Feng Shui setting and yearly Feng Shui tips, I also have a book for you, free of charge. I put a link down below. You're welcome to go there, download it. And thanks for watching. Good luck.